Hi everyone, today let us talk about TypeScript in Visual Studio Code for beginners. In this video, we will cover what is TypeScript, how to install TypeScript compiler, how to check TypeScript version, step-by-step demo. Let us see what is TypeScript. TypeScript is a typed superset of JavaScript that compiles to plain JavaScript. It offers classes, modules, and interfaces to help you build robust components. How to install the TypeScript compiler? Visual Studio Code includes TypeScript language support but does not include TypeScript compiler. What is the command to install the TypeScript? npm install -TypeScript -g TypeScript. npm install -g TypeScript. G means globally installing the TypeScript. How to check the TypeScript version? tsc -version. Let us see the step-by-step demo now. Launch Visual Studio Code. Normally I will run as administrator. In case if requires any admin rights for the development, Visual Studio Code is launched, and by default it will open with the empty window. There won't be any terminal. You can go and click new terminal if there is no terminal and install the TypeScript. npm install -g for global to the computer TypeScript. It will install the TypeScript in this computer. Once installed, you will be able to test the version of the installation. tsc -version. Version is 3.7.2. Thanks for watching this, and if you have any question in technology and programming, please add it in the comments. We will answer your question in our channel. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Tap the bell notification symbol. Thank you for watching.